Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the Vanguard secure boot requirement. Many modern games use anti-cheat systems like Vanguard, which demand a secure computing environment. Secure boot is a crucial security feature that helps prevent malicious software from loading during startup. We will go step by step to ensure your system meets this requirement, allowing you to enjoy your games without interruption. This process typically takes only a few minutes to complete. To begin, you'll need to restart your computer and enter its UEFI or BIOS settings. As your system powers on, repeatedly press the designated key. Common keys include F2, delete, F10, or F12. If you are unsure, consult your motherboard's manual or search online for your specific model. This step is essential for accessing the core system configurations needed to enable secure boot. Once inside your UEFI settings, navigate to the Boot or Security tab. You might first need to disable Compatibility Support Module, often labeled as CSM or Legacy Boot Mode. After disabling CSM, you should find the Secure Boot option. Enable it, then save your changes and exit. Your system will then restart, applying the new security configuration. This is a critical step in resolving the Vanguard issue. After restarting, you can verify Secure Boot is active by typing msinfo32 into the Windows search bar. Look for Secure Boot State and confirm it shows on. If Vanguard still presents an error, consider updating your motherboard's UEFI firmware or resetting your BIOS settings to their optimized defaults. These steps often resolve lingering compatibility issues, ensuring a smooth gaming experience with Vanguard's anti-cheat system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.